We're gonna be riding on these basket boats. They were racing earlier. These people over there, they had like multiple people going out and they raced back. And they're wearing the hats. Look how fast they can paddle these round coconut boats. What is it made out of? How do they do that? My cousin's going out. Whoa, crashed. Here we go, look, they're racing over there. We got this boat. Look at that, they're racing. A faster boat. How fast they go. My aunts, uncles, and brother, cousins are over there. This is what the boat looks like. Put some kind of putty stuff in there. Want it? Look at it. It's standing on the boat. They're tipping forward a lot. How they have the boat at the bottom. My uncle and aunt over there. Oh, we crashed. Crashed. Bumper cars.
Watch for the ball.
Watch for the big boat. Look, so many people. Look. Whoa. Whole big group of people heading back. Whoa. So you can see how they pedal. You have to pedal a certain way, otherwise your whole boat will just keep spinning in circles. How many are there? Look at that over there. They're like spinning around and dancing on theirs. They're doing a, oops. You got hit by the tree. We're gonna get hit by the tree. Whoa! Look at that. What's happening over there? They got some music playing. Look, they're doing a show on the water. Look at that, they carry the speaker in it. Look at the guy. Is he not getting dizzy? Yeah, how's he not getting dizzy out there? Look, they're doing it with a passenger in their boat. Okay, so he's gonna spin around on his boat. They hold the phone for you in a separate one if you fall. Whoa. Look, that guy's fishing at the same time. He has some chicken bait there. They threw a net in there. Did you catch anything? Oh, I can't see now. Okay. Oh, look, nothing. Oh no. Dancing on their boat. Oh, they're gonna do a karaoke for us now.
Yes, cô chú là các con được nhiều và tiếp tục chúng ta sẽ hát cho nhau nghe và mời đầu chúng ta có bạn trẻ nào cô chú nào muốn trải nghiệm về karaoke là cái gì cho mời đến hát một bài rồi cái gì này. Núi son tay nổi lại in xa ta đi phòng tay lớn mãi rời núi sơn hà hát đặt bao la anh em ta về gặp nhau mừng như tóc cát quay cuồng trời rồng bàn tay ta nắm nơi trọn một vòng Việt Nam ở nơi xa niềm vui nỗi ngày dòng máu lên con tim đồng lời tìm người trong người thành phố lớn em xa vời vời người chân nơi lanh tiếng vào đêm và nụ cười náo trên môi từ bắc vô nam nổi về nắm tay ta đi từ đồng hoan vu vươn lên núi đồi vượt thác treo leo tay ta vượt đều từ quê nghèo lên phố lên năm tay ngời nhìn hình danh sông gấm nơi tròn mặt bằng Việt Nam. Các bạn có hát bài gì không? Nói tiếng Việt không? Tiếng Anh. Nói tiếng Anh luôn. YouTube.
That's one song. Whoa, we're getting rammed by too much traffic. We're being attacked. Oh, bumper cars. Picking a song, I think. Big one.
Nếu như một câu nói có thể khiến anh
racing. They're winning. Oh, they're speeding up. Oh, the racing team's coming. Those are the racing boats. He's rowing his boat. Okay, Namia's helping pedal the boat. Oh, I can't see well enough. You got 2 paddles now. We're getting passed by the experts. Namia's trying to stir the pot. Gonna crash now. Oh boy.
Look at Binh stirring the pot. I get a glimpse of your face though.
What? Oh, don't get hit.